is the 14th of October 2020. It's very interesting. It's a Hämeenkatu. B1SY8154 in Swedish. Building 18. Tampere Finland. Finally gonna sign it. This is these are two 1962 built Epilän Konepaja elevators here. The serial number is E429 and it got modernized by Otis in 1993 with Otis Series 1 fixtures. The newer serial number is B1SY8154. Still without any doors, and the capacity is 4 persons of 220 grams and 6 floors. This is amazing.
Yeah. And this building was open before, but now it's locked off.
Yes. You are now taking the new video of this because
Yeah.
you didn't have a very good video before.
Yeah.
You were not satisfied. It's going to be inspected in 2022. And when it will be 60 years old. The organization turned 25 years old in 2018. Very nice still, even though they could have been still more original.
Yeah.
Also. Sorry.
Yeah.
Still have the original 483 700 digital frontiers outside.
Yeah. Mm. Yeah.
So it's got chance of This was also built in 1962, turning 60 years old in 2022 when it will be inspected again. And it got modernized by Otis in 1993 with Otis Series 1 fixtures. The serial number is E428 and the newer serial number is B1SY8154 and 6 floors. Also amazing.
Yeah.
I like these brown doors.
Same here.
But if it had been completely original since 1962, it would have been even more amazing.
Yeah.
Must have been something. It was quite rare. Epilän Konepaja.
Yeah.
Originally.
Inspected by QA inspector, maintained by Schindler.
But I just wonder why they didn't make them faster.
Yeah.
And they said the same speed as originally.
Yeah.
And they probably replaced in 1962 some of the other elevators.
Yeah.
But the doors looked differently before 1993.
Yeah.
And this is actually staircase A. There should be a staircase B.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, thank you very much for watching. That's it.
That's